Hey, real estate enthusiasts and future investors. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most practical, comprehensive guides on how to succeed in real estate investing, Investing in Real Estate by Gary W. Eldred. Whether you're just starting your journey or you've been investing for a while, this book is packed with valuable insights that can help you unlock the full potential of your investments. Let's break it down and see what makes this book a must-read for anyone looking to build wealth through real estate. In Investing in Real Estate, Gary W. Eldred presents a clear, step-by-step approach to real estate investment, backed by decades of experience. He breaks down everything you need to know to get started, from the basics of property types to advanced strategies for achieving consistent cash flow and long-term gains. So, if you're wondering how to make your first real estate deal, or even grow your portfolio, this book offers answers for every stage of the game. 1. Building your foundation for success. Before you make your first purchase, Eldred emphasizes the importance of mindset. Real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, it's about smart decisions, persistence, and understanding the market. Eldred talks about the essential principles of wealth building through real estate, focusing on how to develop a solid financial foundation that will protect you during market downturns and maximize your profits during market highs. 2. Property types explained. Gary breaks down the different types of properties you can invest in, including residential, commercial, and industrial real estate. Each comes with its own set of pros and cons, and understanding them will help you make smarter investment decisions. For example, residential properties offer steady cash flow, while commercial real estate can provide massive returns, but may also carry higher risk. Eldred goes into detail about how to assess which property type suits your financial goals and risk tolerance. 3. Finding and analyzing deals. One of the key takeaways from this book is the skill of identifying lucrative real estate deals. Eldred explains how to find properties that are undervalued or have potential for significant appreciation. He walks you through tools and strategies for analyzing property values, rental income, repair costs, and potential appreciation. He also emphasizes the importance of location in real estate investing, as the right location can be the difference between a profitable investment and a money pit. 4. Financing your investment. No surprise here, financing is a huge part of real estate investing. Eldred covers the different ways you can finance your deals, from traditional bank loans to creative financing options like seller financing or using private lenders. The book also addresses the importance of understanding leverage and how to use it effectively to grow your portfolio without overextending yourself. 5. Managing risk and maximizing returns. Of course, with any investment, there's always risk. But Eldred shows you how to mitigate that risk while ensuring that your returns are maximized. He talks about strategies like diversification, the importance of having an emergency fund, and how to navigate fluctuations in the market. Eldred's advice on risk management is crucial for anyone serious about long-term success in real estate. 6. Building wealth over time. Lastly, investing in real estate isn't just about quick wins, it's about building long-term wealth. Eldred discusses how to use real estate to secure your financial future by making smart investments, leveraging the power of compounding, and creating a sustainable portfolio that continues to grow over time. He dives deep into the strategies that allow investors to accumulate wealth, including tax benefits, cash flow, and appreciation. Conclusion. Gary W. Eldred's Investing in Real Estate is more than just a beginner's guide, it's a powerful resource for anyone looking to master the art of real estate investing. Whether you're interested in flipping houses, rental properties, or commercial deals, this book offers actionable advice that you can implement right away. If you're looking to take control of your financial future and dive into the world of real estate investing, then this book is a game changer. Make sure to grab your copy and start making informed, strategic decisions today. If you found this summary helpful and want to learn more tips and tricks about real estate investing, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll be covering everything from real estate investing to financial independence in future videos, so stay tuned.